Investing in Real Estate for Seniors, a Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to our animated explainer on how seniors can confidently invest in real estate, securing their financial future. Let's dive in. Setting the stage. As seniors, it's crucial to make smart investment decisions. Real estate can be a stable and rewarding choice. Here's how to get started. Understanding goals. First, identify your financial goals. Whether it's supplemental income, long-term growth, or passing down assets, clarifying your objectives is key. Financial assessment. Next, conduct a financial assessment. Understand your budget, assets, and consider consulting a financial advisor to ensure real estate aligns with your overall financial plan. Researching markets. Research potential real estate markets. Look for areas with growing demand, amenities, and a senior-friendly environment. This step ensures your investment has long-term potential. Property types. Consider different property types. From single-family homes to senior living communities, choose a property that suits your investment goals and preferences. Financing options. Explore financing options. Whether it's a traditional mortgage, reverse mortgage, or other financing methods, find the one that best fits your financial situation. Property management. If hands-on management isn't your preference, hiring a property manager can ease the burden. They handle day-to-day tasks, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of real estate without the stress. Legal and tax considerations. Understand the legal and tax implications. Consult with professionals to ensure you're aware of any regulations or tax benefits related to your real estate investment. Long-term planning plan for the long term. Real estate is an investment that appreciates over time. Consider how your property can serve you and your family in the years to come. Conclusion. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to invest in real estate as a senior. Remember, it's never too late to secure your financial future. Happy investing! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Heroes for more financial tips and guidance. Until next time, happy investing!